Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Capcut Pro effects not showing. The first solution to Capcut template not working is to update the app to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Capcut. If there's an update option, just click on it to get the latest version of the Capcut app. The second way is to clear app cache. You can also clear Capcut cache to fix Capcut template not showing or opening or effects are not showing by going to Settings and go to Apps, Capcut, Storage and then Clear Cache. Way 3 is to try a VPN. Capcut template not showing might be due to region restrictions because Capcut templates or Pro effects are only available in some regions. If the Capcut app is not available in your region, try using a VPN. The fourth method, which is you're gonna use if the other three methods did not work, with using Capcut Online Video Editor. Capcut not only offers a mobile app for Android and iOS, but also an online video editor and a desktop app. When video templates are not working in Capcut on your phone, you can switch to the Capcut Online Video Editor in your browser to access a huge collection of templates. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.